My name is Gabriel Rimmer. I am a senior at Lincoln High School. I am a part of the Mayor's Youth Council Justice and Safety Committee. As a person that used to be homeless, I can understand the struggles that they go through, the day-to-day life that impacts them daily. So I want to be able to make a change in their lives, even if it means by one person, as long as it makes some kind of impact.
My name is Chloe Mao. I currently go to Bellarmine. I joined this amazing program, Project Teens Across Tacoma, or Project TAT for short, because I genuinely believe that what foundational support we have for teens across Tacoma would be much better amplified if there was youth supporting youth. And this is a perfect opportunity to kind of do that. Probably the most important thing that defines me is that I need to be involved in the community. I need to give what I can to people who are less fortunate because I am able to. And what I believe is just that everyone else can do the same thing. You know, you have to seek these opportunities out yourself. It's not going to come to you most of the time.
Hello, my name is Tara. My pronouns are they, she, and I'm a junior at Foss High School, which means I also serve as a representative for Foss on Teens Across Tacoma. And I'm so excited to be working with this group of youth from Tacoma, leading change, organizing around youth homelessness and housing insecurity.
We would like to inform you about an event on November 8th from 5 to 8 p.m. at Alma Mater Cafe in Tacoma, Washington.
And at this event, we'll be having barbers, nail techs, hairstylists, and makeup artists.
Make sure you bring your friends along. This is a fantastic opportunity for you guys to connect with the community and meet new people.
We hope to see you guys there.